This right here, this is what impatience gets you. I have no patience. And Project Geo is still not running, and I hadn't had time to work on it, and I wanted something now. So here it is. This is what now, not being able to wait, have to have stuff now gets you. It's a 2002 Nissan Xterra, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive, 195,000 miles on it. I wanted something to beat around the farm, really. That's what it boils down to.
And here we are.
And here we are. We're going to see if I made the right choice buying the Nissan or not.
There were no Jeeps for sale, apparently.
Well, there's Jeeps, but I didn't want to spend $10,000. And everything I looked at Jeep-wise way too nice to bring up here.
So, you gonna send it?
We're going to send it.
I mean, the only way you can upgrade it is if you break it. Looks like these tires need upgraded there. So they're already getting packed up.
Definitely needs a lift.
Yeah.
It sits way too low.
Like 90 million light bars.
Yeah, it needs light bars.
Don't worry, if it gets dark, you can follow the Can-Am out.
I don't really plan on doing too much. Light bars, a little bit of a lift, maybe some different wheels eventually. Other than that, everything I'm going to do is going to be inside. Just customize the inside for hunting and all the stuff that we do.
Camping. Overlanding.
Yep.
Alright, well, let's strap some GoPros to this unit and see if we can get her stuck.
Let's do it. I'm scared. That's my $800 worth of Christmas for my kids in the back beating around while we're trail riding. She's going good so far. I've never owned a Nissan. I've never owned anything small like this. Everything I've ever owned has always been some gigantic, huge truck, which would never even fit up something like this. Never really owned anything other than side-by-sides for off-roading, so all this is kind of new to me. It's the reason I bought the Geo. I wanted something to play with and kind of see which way I wanted to go, but I can't get the damn thing to run, so, or not run the way it needs to. I'm impressed at how smooth it's riding. I was expecting to be beating the shit out of me by now. My power stroke just coming through the field will absolutely break your neck.
Well, how'd she do?
I mean, I ain't got nothing to compare it to, because obviously it's the first rig I've ever had taken anywhere like this. But
What about the time we took your Dodge truck up here that night?
oh, I forgot it. That wasn't up here. That was a place it should have never been.
Oh.
It crawled. I was impressed, actually. I mean, I figured it, and how smooth the ride was too. I figured even though it would make it, it was going to be super bumpy and just whiplash and beat you half to death.
One thing's for sure, it's got a hell of a fan clutch.
Oh,
Hey, when you were coming up through there, it was like sweeping the leaves. So if anybody needs their yard cleaned, we'll bring her over.
Got a built-in leaf blower.
We'll charge. We're
Don't
gonna.
ever shut off either. You got to hear it on the 4-lane doing 55.
So that was that noise the other night?
I guess, yeah.
Huh.
I told you I thought it was a fan clutch, but I wasn't sure. I had never had a fan clutch so damn loud.
All right, well, let's head up. On up.
Okay.
What?
I ain't ready for that.
She's ready, son. She's got a pine trees and a grizzly bear on there.
Yeah.
It means she could jump and climb a pine tree. I think that's what that means.
I think it means that she's very friendly, and I don't want to hang out with him today.
What's up with your antenna?
It's shaking a little bit. I don't know. Needs a new one. I'm gonna get one of them little low pro ones.
see what this thing's really made of. So he's barely used to this mud hole. Make sure we didn't get stuck in it. I didn't get mud in here. Sure, I'll window. Well, first impression, he's, oh God, is there brakes? Yep, there they are. That can't be normal. He said the brakes are kind of soft, I believe him. Not sure if I hit the brake or the clutch there. It's roomy. Toggle switches don't work. I mean, it's no Jeep. You're right, it does ride smooth, or he's right. It does ride pretty smooth. Like the manual, we're in second gear, easing along, so it's really, really torquey. We're only going hardly any miles an hour, just pulling good in second. All right, she made it in and out. She survived me driving it. Hopefully our friendship survives him watching the video of me driving it.
As long as it's not broke, but it don't seem to be.
Nothing fell off.
She's a little dirty.
She dirty.
It's only a bath.
I just run through the automatic. Just let her wash it off.
Well, what I will do.
Blow the mud down for the next person.
I'll let the fan clutch blow the mud out front.
Yeah, probably blow it out time you get home. Just don't put her in high. She's a beast. I was skeptical after the failed Geo project. I didn't have much faith in your off-road ability.
Yeah, well,
Picks. Good news is the Toyota will be done very soon, and we're gonna bring them up here for the Toyota Nissan.
The 24-hour camp off.
24-hour camp off. And maybe Nick buys the tracker in a plot twist, actually fixes it, and brings it too.
That's what we're trying to do. He wants to buy it off of me, but he wants to buy it and flip it. I was kind of hoping he'd buy it and keep it to have something for the channel, but
if he doesn't buy it, other plans include
Tannerite.
Swamp Buggy or Tannerite. We're really
Swamp Buggy, then Tannerite.
Swamp Buggy, then Swamp Buggy, case of adult beverages, and then Tannerite. If there's anything left to blow up. There might be that one video we've been talking about. We need to blow the channel up. Or the one where somebody dies.
Well, yeah. The only problem is whoever dies is not going to get the benefit from the channel blowing up.
So, hit that like button to see what happens next. I'm sure you're already subscribed.
Of course. I mean,
y'all be pretty.
what's saying?
No, you said you were going to take it easier on the first time. You never said anything about me taking it easy. Did he say that?
Does that mean that you break it, you fix it roll wise?
I didn't break these brakes, they already broke.
Yeah, the brakes suck.
Feel like I'm driving something classic. Gonna give her a couple pumps.